Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a tote bag and it's gonna be a super easy tutorial and we're gonna make a beautiful bag like this one. So here we go. I found this curtain at the thrift shop. The fabric is a bit thicker, so it's super nice to use for this tote bag. And these are all the stuff we're gonna need for this sewing. We're gonna need some thread, we're gonna need some scissors, some measuring stuff, we're gonna need some pins or some clips, and this is some fabric chalk. We're gonna need this sewing machine too. So here we go, we're ready, let's go. So we're cutting out the pieces we need. I'm using my fabric chalk and my ruler, and I'm cutting out 2 big pieces and 2 pieces for the straps, and they're looking like this. So we're starting with a front stitch, bed sides facing. We're gonna sew 1 centimeter from the side, and we're gonna sew all around the 3 sides. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end to make sure the thread will not come loose. Now we're gonna turn the bag inside out again and do another stitch, but this one, oh yeah, there was a hole in the bag because I didn't do the stitch right, so I had to do it again. But I fixed it and I did the stitch, and now we're gonna do it like 1.5 or 2 centimeters from the side. So we're gonna hide the unfinished seam. And it's gonna look super pretty when we turn it inside out again to the good side. And it looks super pretty and clean. So now we're gonna work on the straps. We're gonna fold them in half and iron them down so we can see what the middle is. And once we've done that, we're gonna flip it open again and fold both sides towards the middle, and we're gonna iron that down again. And once we've done that, we're gonna fold it in half again, and it looks like this, and iron it down again so it will stay nice when we're gonna sew it. And now we're gonna sew the strap in half and sew the one side together. And for aesthetic reasons, I also did the other side of the strap, just because I think it looks pretty, but you don't have to do it. And this is how it will look, nice and clean. So we're gonna attach the straps. Make sure you do some measurements where you want your strap to be, so you can make sure that the straps are at the same height of the bag. And we're gonna sew it down. So on the good side of the fabric, you're gonna sew the straps. And now we're gonna turn the bag inside out. We're gonna flip the edge 2 times. a bit blurry here. But we're gonna fold it over 2 times, pinning it down to make sure it stays in place. And we're gonna fold the straps up. And also pin this down. And it looks like this. And now we're gonna sew 2 rows again, so it will all stay in place nicely. And as you can see, I'm sort of folding as I go. You can also put in way more pins to make sure everything stays in place, but I like to do it as I go, and I can make sure the straps are like straight. And yeah, almost finished. And it looks like this. Very pretty. Yay! And this is the finished tote bag. So for the end result, ooh, we made a super easy tote bag. And I love this bag. I love the orange detail, and I bring it with me everywhere. I put my my books in it and all this stuff, and you can do it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make a nice tote bag. Bye!